because a lot of people, especially Nigerians, we are out there to mislead each other. And no one Nigerian, a very few wants you to know what they know. Now, if you are planning to come to Italy, whatever route you intend to take to come to Italy, these informations are very important and very vital for you. Now, if you're coming through the deserts, I mean you're coming through Libya and then you eventually get to Italy, I want to give you this piece of advice. Stay in the camp. Go to school, because they make the language school available for people in camp. They make opportunities for you guys to go to school. Go to school. Get a certificate, either a diploma, anything, just get a skill. Use that opportunity of your time in camp to develop yourself. You know, the kind of people you meet when you come into any country, the first set of people you encounter matters a lot. Either they make you or they mar you. Now, same thing. If you come through family reunion, whatever route you come in, let the language be key, the first thing for you to learn. Now, you will meet some kind of people in this Italy. Now, they want you to also fall into that same trap that they fell into, of not doing the right thing. Don't listen to them and say, forget school, what do you want your school to do? Like, I go also money now, school carry you come Europe. Yes, not be school make you come Europe, I understand. But school is very important. Language school is very important. Go to school. Go and learn the language. If you come in as a lady that came to meet the husband, you can decide on having kids first before you start going to school. That's if you don't have help around. But if you can, go to school first before you start having children. It's also okay. But know that school, the time to go to school will never expire. So you can choose which is best for you and your spouse. And then secondly, when you are giving any tickets, it's called multa here in Italy. Maybe you, for anything at all, please pay it immediately. Many persons will tell you, I beg, ignore, forget, no level, tear out your way, no pay, this. Please make sure you pay that ticket. Try as much as possible not to allow any dents on your name. It will save you a lot of good in the long run. And then obey the laws of the country. Mind the kind of people you keep, the association of people you keep. Even if you came through Libya, you came with some set of people. As time goes on, open your eyes. Look for people that will give you advice on how to better yourself, on how to make yourself better. Now, even you that came through family reunion, you came to meet your wife, or you came to meet your husband, you came to meet your mother, your father. Try as much as possible not to listen to this one say. Go on the internet, get information for yourself. Listen to the news. Listen to news. Get people that will translate for you. Get information from the right source, because a lot of people, especially Nigerians, we are out there to mislead each other. And no one Nigerian, a very few wants you to know what they know. And note that in Italy, there are a lot of opportunities, lots of benefits, lots of things and assistance that come from the government. So don't come to Italy and the next thing you see, nothing is going on. You jump, you go to Germany. From Germany, you enter France. and then you're looking for how to come back. Go to school. Avoid tickets. Even when it comes, pay it. Keep the right people as friends, and then get your information from the right sources. So I will see you in my next video. Please, if you've not given this video a like, do well to give it a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share my videos. Thank you very much. God bless you. Ciao.